got forever here. So I just hook it up or what? Hit it. Sit down there. What do you mean? Oh, sorry.
Sit right there. Okay.
Sit right there.
Hook the wires.
Pardon?
You want me to hook up the wires?
Yes, I would like to.
Okay. Are you filming all this?
Yep. I don't know why I should have.
So hook the wires like that. Everything's ready. Hey, Paul's still next. Paul's not ready. Okay, are you gonna do the switch?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn off.
Okay.
Make sure you turn it off.
So turn to the right and then turn.
All the way to the right.
Okay. You wanna do countdown or?
Okay, here goes Brandon. Everybody count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pause. A lot just happened.